San Francisco has been full of many adventures for both Eddie and myself. We've been here 40 years, and we ventured into various positions such as being foster parent. Family has a special meaning in my heart and a special place in my life. The most special part of being able to touch 156 kids is when 100 plus return to stop by and say hi, or do you remember I was in your home when you run into them in food store, the grocery store. When we walked into this house, we knew that this would be the excellent place to become, to continue our foster care.
Marilyn and Eddie have given a lot, the house has given a lot, and now it's time for us to give to them. We are going to make this house unbelievable, and we're going to help Marilyn and Eddie enter into their retirement in a healthier, better way. So I brought in expert designer Sandeep Sood, who's going to take over the house, and fitness health guru, my favorite, LaWanda Dickerson.
I am here with Sammy and Sandeep as they're renovating Marilyn and Eddie's home, and today the role I play is to renovate their body, soul, and spirit. Let's go. You're renovating your entire house and you're moving. How do you project your physical fitness goals and how to get your health so that you guys can live the rest of your life as the best you as you could be?
When I met Eddie, I had a body, he called me his Wonder Woman. So in this transition, I said when I retired, I told him I would move back to St. Louis if I could have a swimming pool and eat properly and do this and do that. And fortunately, we've been blessed to get those things, but I would like to, I told him the other day, I'm gonna be your Wonder Woman one more time.
Love it.
And so hopefully you can help me achieve that goal.
Okay, we've just found out that Eddie is the cook and Marilyn wants to be Wonder Woman. And if she's going to be Wonder Woman, we have our work cut out for us.
Now that LaWanda has checked in with Marilyn and Eddie and knows what their personal health goals are, let's check in with Sandeep and find out what his inspiration is for the house.
Hi, Sandeep.
Hi LaWanda, welcome to 1343 Palu.
Thank you for inviting me.
Well, you've seen how the house looks right now.
Yes.
The reason we are meeting today because I want to show you what is in my vision and how this house is going to look like when my team and I are done with it. Are you ready?
I'm excited.
Let's start. We all know this kitchen needs a little love and renovation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this middle wall between the kitchen and the bedroom right now, making this into a huge living, dining, kitchen and family room experience. There will be cabinetry all the way here with a giant pantry on the side. There'll be a long island that connects the bedroom to this space. Actually, that bedroom will be a living room now. Just stay tuned. This kitchen is where nutrition is, and LaWanda knows all about nutrition.
80% of how your body is based on nutrition. And so it looks like we have some work to do. Woo.
It's been a little over a year since we started the transformation on this beautiful 1930s home, and Marilyn and Eddie started making some choices about having a better retirement. Before we check in with them and see their transformation, how about we go inside and see what designer Sandeep Sood had visualized a year ago and how it's transformed into reality. It's all about the intentions you set.
When I walked into the house, the first thing I noticed was the floor. They are almost 100 years old, and I was not ready to change it and turn into a modern style home. We see a lot of them. We try to keep the character of the home as much as possible because that is something you can't recreate.
Wow, these floors, they were able to keep the original floors. That's gorgeous.
I have done many homes in my career, but there are certain homes in life that you come across that's more than a building. I felt the same when I walked into this home. I found out that Marilyn and Eddie have raised around 156 foster children in this home. I felt the good vibe. There was a lot of structural work needed to be done because we had to open up a load-bearing wall between the kitchen and the bedroom that used to be there. It was one of the most important things we have done to the house to make a transformational change.
Wow, this is different. It's so open, just totally open. This is gorgeous.
What I also loved was these beautiful windows. We did not change them because I thought we would not do them justice if we got something new in that place. We kept the windows original to the house, and I think it adds to the layered character of the home. Do you know which room is this now?
I don't have a feel for it just yet, but this was our living room.
Well, it's a bedroom now.
Where's the fire? Wow! It's inviting.
Just like the choices that designer Sandeep made to transform this lower level of this house, Marilyn and Eddie have made some pretty big life changes in their life that are changing their destiny in their retirement. So let's check in with LaWanda and find out exactly what are they doing different to live a more beautiful life.
Here we are in this new transformed kitchen that we were here just a year ago. Look at the amazing changes that have taken place. Not only that, Marilyn, look at the amazing change that's taken place with you. It's very clear you've paid attention to your nutrition and exercise. Tell me about the changes that you've made.
Well, thanks to you, I decided to live better. I started off by walking. I got a tape, 15 minutes, 2 miles a day, 3 days a week. And then I joined a health matters class at my church and started eating better, but that's the husband's department since he does the cooking.
Well, I remember also a year ago, Eddie, you and I went through your refrigerator and your cabinets to see what changes that we can make to assist you with making better choices. Can you tell me a couple of things that, the changes that you've made since you've been gone?
Well, I've made quite a few changes.
Yes.
More nutrition, more vegetables, and just cooking a lot smarter.
Wow. Well, it is clear that it's made an impact on your lives. And I know the reason for you to go back to St. Louis, that's your hometown.
Right.
And you wanted to be able to retire there.
Right.
And now that you have a swimming pool,
Yes.
and you have all of these resources
Yes.
to be able to live this better life, it just seems like this has just really worked for you. Do you feel better?
A whole lot better.
I feel better as well. And I'm proud to say I haven't lost a lot of weight, but I've gone down 1 size in clothes. I order all my clothes, but I still have a long way to go, but I'm on the road.
Well,
I'm on the right path.
That's a significant change, as well as this significant change that's taken place in this home. So it just seems as though this change has been better for you all the way around.
Right. But this house is really different. And if I can catch up with my health, like this house has made its transformation, then I want to come back and really do a tape so you can really see what's going on. But this is awesome.
So about choices, one of the things about making the right choice is realizing that choices don't always reap the benefits right away. You have to learn how to trust the process. And it's clear when you start seeing the results from those choices, it begins to yield a peace within. And that's one of the things I really wanted for Marilyn and Eddie. I wanted them to be able to retire in peace. I'm sure St. Louis is celebrating having them there because they bring such excitement about life now. And I truly believe it's because they've made the right choices.
I hope you've enjoyed the transformation of this space as much as we have enjoyed transforming it.
Marilyn and Eddie gave so much love to this home and also to so many people that came through this home. It's been a great pleasure giving them love and respect and helping them move forward in their retirement. Don't forget, at Renovation Design Realty, we move,
We design,
we build,
we stage,
we sell, and you win.